AF. So today I'll be showing you why choose Python for science. So I'm sharing the screen. Yeah. So you might be seeing the screen in front of you. So see why choose Python. So I'll be presenting this presentation to you. Why choose Python. Every engineer should know how to program. It makes you 10 times more productive than the engineer who doesn't program. Having the ability to create software slaves is a big advantage in any job, in any domain, whatever be your domain. If you know how to create small, simple scripts, you will be more productive than any other engineer. So, which programming language to learn? Python. 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 I strongly recommend Python. Now, what are the following? The following will be some advantage. Some of the biggest advantages that I see Python has, especially for engineers and scientists. Python has rich collection of existing bricks, so it's battery included language. Lot of numerical methods, lot of code like NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib is available in this. You can do a Fourier transform, fitting algorithms. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Imagine how you have to do it in Fortran or C. But in Python, the rich library is there. It's easy to learn. Computer science is not our job. We are engineers and scientists. We want to know, we have a data, we want to load the data, do some Fourier transform on it, find something and get some results. So Python is that easy to learn. And now with IPython notebook, especially Python has become very easy to communicate with collaborators, students and customers. I find IPython notebook a great help while sharing my code and analysis. It's an efficient tool. The code is efficient. It takes some amount of time, but it's not as fast as Fortran. But the development time is much less. I can try multiple iterations without bothering about speed. So it's actually reducing programmers' time and making me more productive. And most of all, I think as Python has all the batteries included, it provides a single environment to do all my calculations. I have pandas to view data and do some data manipulation. I have NumPy to do any algebraic things, and SciPy scientific library for doing Fourier transform and all other things that I can do, and Matplotlib and many other machine learning algorithms. So if you are looking for a language to learn, and if you are in science, if you are in engineering, you should give Python a chance. Thank you for listening. Thank you for attending. Thank you. Don't forget to visit my site.